Okay, going to do my clean air day experiment. I've got my AirBeam air quality sensor, my Android phone, my MERV 13 filter, and the box fan. All right, let's see how this works. Put the filter on. Take some measurements from behind the fan. 48, 45 or so. This is micrograms per cubic meter of air. And now on this side, check that out. 36, 35, 36, 35, 34, 35. That's actually working pretty good. Yeah, it looks like it takes a little bit of time for the AirBeam to adjust to the lower levels. But now we're down to about half as much particulate matter than we had on the other side of the fan. Cost almost nothing.